All right, guys, if you hate putting Christmas lights away after the end of the season because they get so bunched up, and then when you go to unravel them, it's in such a rat's nest that all it does is frustrate you, if you do, stay tuned because I think I just came up with the perfect solution that you can build for free. All right, guys, so this is my prototype. It's basically a metal bar that I had kicking around the garage, and I have 3 round pieces of cardboard that I cut out. I secured them in place with rubber bands, as you can see here, on either side, so that these don't slide around. And then what you do is you're gonna slip one end of the string of lights into this rubber band here, and then you roll it up. Let me show you how it works and why this is so effective and it's gonna save you such a hassle. All right, so I have this string of lights plugged into an outlet in my garage here. It's a pretty long strand, but I have this tucked into one of the rubber bands here, so it's secured in place on the inside, and all you do is start rolling. So as you can see, it rolled it up really, really easily, rather quickly, and although it looks like it's kind of in a rat's nest mess, it's really not, and it's gonna unravel just as easily as it wound up. Let me show you. So the idea here, guys, is that you plug the lights into the outlet that you're going to use in your house, and then you can unravel it as you go. No need to string the entire thing out across your house, only to drag it across the floor to put the lights up where you want. You can just unravel as you go. And again, this cost me pennies to build. It's rubber bands, cardboard, and a pole I had laying around. You could even use the tube from your wrapping paper or even an old broomstick. I am gonna build a more permanent model of this, but this is a prototype. But I wanted to share it with you guys to see if it's something you could use after the holiday season to reel your lights up. So if you like the video and you think it's useful, make sure you smash that like button, make sure you subscribe for more videos, leave a comment, share if you will, and just thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. Merry Christmas.